Electromagnetic radiations are of different types: radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, ultraviolet, visible rays, X-rays and gamma rays. So these waves are arranged in the increasing or decreasing order of their wavelengths or frequency is called as electromagnetic spectrum. The approximate range of wavelengths and order of frequency of different regions of electromagnetic spectrum are given in this table. Let us learn about the electromagnetic radiations and their application. Number 1, light. These are the electromagnetic radiations with wavelengths ranging from 400 nanometers to 750 nanometer are called as the visible light. Uses. Light have a major role in life. It is known to us all. First of all, the light is used for the process of photosynthesis to generate their food by plants. Second one, no light means no vision. All the optical instruments like camera, telescope, microscopes, binoculars all work in the presence of light only. Although light has very narrow range of wavelength, its importance is very high. Infrared radiations. Electromagnetic radiations having a range of wavelengths 750 nanometers to 0.4 millimeter are called infrared radiations. These radiations were first detected by William Herschel in the year 1800 while studying the heating effect of radiations. Applications of infrared rays. The molecular structure of a compound can be identified by infrared spectrum. These are most suitable for long distance photography. This technique is used to detect the enemy concentration and detection of forgery of old paintings. To observe the distant objects, infrared searchlights and telescopes were used, and it is since the Second World War. In the medical field, it is used for diagnosis of superficial tumors, dislocation of bones and treatment of sprains. These infrared rays also stimulates the blood circulation. You are familiar with the TV remote handsets which works or controls different settings with the help of infrared radiations. The infrared radiations coming from sun is used in solar energy devices. Ultraviolet radiations. In electromagnetic spectrum, radiations having a range of wavelengths 4 nanometer to 400 nanometer are called ultraviolet radiations. These radiations were first detected by J.W. Ritter in 1801 by its photographic action. The short ultraviolet radiations are harmful to living tissues, and these are absorbed by ozone layer surrounding the earth. Applications of ultraviolet rays. Ultraviolet rays can activate some of chemical reactions. They excite fluorescence in many substances, which led to the development of fluorescent lamps. To distinguish between the real gems and the artificial gems, ultraviolet radiations are used. They are used in the treatment of rickets, bone diseases and skin diseases. The lower frequency ultraviolet radiations are useful in the synthesis of vitamin D, that is calciferol, in our bodies. They are used in the operation of photoelectric alarms. X-rays. Electromagnetic radiations having a wavelength range of 0.1 angstrom to 100 angstrom are called X-rays. These rays were first detected by William Röntgen in the year 1895. Hence, X-rays are also called as Röntgen rays. For this discovery, he got Nobel Prize in the year 1901. Applications of X-rays. X-ray photograph gives the information about the fractures of bones in our body. X-rays are used to locate the foreign bodies such as bullets, coins, pins which are pierced in the human body. X-rays are also used for the treatment of diseases like cancer. A special technique called radiography is used to detect the cavities in castings, cracks in weldings and flaws in the parts of machine using X-ray. This technique is called as radiography. X-rays are also used to study the crystal structure called as X-ray crystallography. Gamma rays. Electromagnetic radiations having a wavelength range of 0.01 angstrom to 0.1 angstrom are called as gamma rays. These rays were discovered by Henry Becquerel in the year 1896, and these radiations generally emitted by radioactive nuclei. Applications of gamma rays. Gamma rays are highly energetic in nature, hence are used in the treatment of cancer. They act as catalyst in the manufacture of some chemicals. They are used in gamma ray microscopes to study about minute structures or microorganisms. Gamma rays can produce photoelectric effect. Similar to X-ray, gamma rays are also used in radiography to detect the flaws. Microwaves. Electromagnetic waves having a wavelength range of 0.4 mm to 10 cm are called microwaves. Microwaves are used in radio and satellite communication system. Microwaves are used in heating devices such as microwave ovens. Radio waves. Electromagnetic waves with order of frequency less than 10⁻⁹ Hz are called radio waves. These waves have wavelengths greater than 0.1 meter. Radio waves of shorter wavelengths are used in TV broadcasting and in satellite systems, whereas radio waves of longer wavelengths are used in radio broadcasting.